Hey y'all.
Hey friends, welcome to Carver's Applehouse.
We're gonna go get vegetables. Apples?
And apples and apple pies. Don't forget those.
Oh, the most important thing, apple pies.
And we're gonna take you with us.
Let's go.
Come on.
I asked the gal that's making these, she says they're going through about 200-300 a day.
200-300 a day?
Them little pies. And then back in October, they done like 1,300
A day?
In a day. 1,300.
All right.
That's a lot of doggone pies.
It is, ain't it?
Don't matter what size it is.
You can also get a whole pie.
Why y'all take sugar out of that?
They probably just don't add sugar.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna say,
So you want sugar-free?
got Splenda in it instead of the sugar.
Instead of sugar. Okay. Well, I want to try that.
When I think sugar-free, I think there ain't no sugar at all.
Can't taste anything.
That one's got
You have a sour apple.
That's where the magic's made. Carvers Orchard and Applehouse restaurant are located at 3460 Cosby Highway in Cosby, Tennessee. They have over 100 different varieties of apples, which gives you a lot to choose from. My family's been coming here for many years to get the ingredients for our annual Upton family chowchow recipe. It's a family tradition that Mikey and I have decided we will carry on for many more years to come. They have a great variety of regular and sugar-free jellies and jams. My mama Upton used to love homemade molasses, and it's great to know that I can still get it here. We have so many people in our Fun Things to Do in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and Dandridge, Tennessee Facebook group ask us for fun things to do, and this is one of our top recommendations, especially if you like apples. Make sure you check out this cool chart on the back wall that shows the different varieties of apples. You might even find a variety you didn't even know existed. Don't forget to grab you some homemade apple cider while you're here. It is amazing. Carver's doesn't just have apples, they also have fresh produce to choose from. If you visit during breakfast or lunch hours, make sure you check out their restaurant next door. What an awesome view overlooking the apple orchards and mountains while you're eating. They also have Stacy's Candy Kitchen, so make sure you check that out while you're here.